Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is reverse repo rate. Now, once we've discussed repo rate, obviously the second monetary policy instrument is the reverse repo rate. Now, coming to the definition, as the word itself is reverse repo, then obviously this is the opposite of repo. So in repo, the banks were taking a short-term loan from the RBI, but in reverse repo, it is the RBI which is taking a loan from the banks. This is a short-term loan. Rather, it is just called as a loan by the RBI. It is not a loan, but what is happening is that whenever banks have higher surplus of money, the banks park their money with the RBI for some interest rate, and at this interest rate at which the banks are parking the money with the RBI is what is known as the reverse repo rate. And in return, the RBI is going to give some government securities to the bank. So this is the entire functioning of repo rate, and indeed it is the opposite of reverse repo, and indeed this is the opposite of repo rate. Now, coming to the impacts, the first impact is that if we increase the reverse repo rate, if the reverse repo rate increases, then it will be an incentive for the banks to park more and more funds with the RBI. So obviously banks will park more funds with the RBI, so they will have lesser money supply, and as a result less money to further give out in the economy. This will result in a decrease in the money supply in the economy, which will further decrease inflation. Now, similarly, if the reverse repo is something that is decreased, then the banks will have a lesser incentive to park their funds with the RBI. What is going to happen is that the banks will not give this particular loan to the RBI, and rather will have more money supply to give out to the economy, and this will result in an increase in the money supply, which will further lead to increase in inflation. So this is how reverse repo rate is also acting as a monetary policy instrument. So that's all for today. I thank you all for watching.